Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can invite friends and play co-op head-to-head in Ultimate Team in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, go and open Ultimate Team. Now here you have two options. First, if you wanna squad up and play with your friends, then you need to go to squads option. This will allow you to squad up and play with your friends. Like you just gonna see head-to-head squads regular season mode. Select continue. That will open Ultimate Squads lobby. Right here you can press Y or triangle to invite your friends. You can also play as duo by pressing LB on Xbox or L1 on PlayStation. That way you'll able to invite your friend and basically able to play with him. So yeah guys, this was about how you can squad up and play with your friends. Now if you wanna play against your friend, then you need to go to play a friend option. Like this will allow you to play against your friend in head-to-head online matches. If you select this, you're gonna see two modes. Like you can go for head-to-head play a friend or squads play a friend. If we select this one, then we'll get the screen to invite our friend. If we send the invitation to our friend and once he accepts, he'll able to join us and basically we'll able to play against him. So yeah guys, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you're able to invite friends and play co-op head-to-head in Ultimate Team in College Football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.